How to install and use virtual machines on Windows. Hello tech enthusiasts. Want to run multiple operating systems on your Windows computer? Let's learn how to install and use virtual machines. First, download a virtual machine software. Popular options include VMware Workstation Player and Oracle VM VirtualBox. Go to the official website of your chosen software and download the installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the virtual machine software on your computer. Next, download the ISO file of the operating system you want to run on the virtual machine. For example, you can download Ubuntu from the official Ubuntu website. Open your virtual machine software and select the option to create a new virtual machine. Follow the prompts to set up the virtual machine, such as choosing the operating system type, naming the virtual machine, and allocating memory and storage. When prompted, select the downloaded ISO file as the installation source. Start the virtual machine and it will boot the ISO file, allowing you to install the operating system as you would on a physical machine. Follow the installation steps for your chosen operating system. This typically includes setting up user accounts, choosing installation settings, and configuring the system. Once the installation is complete, you can use the virtual machine just like you would a physical computer. You can install software, browse the internet, and more. Use the virtual machine software to manage your virtual machine settings, such as adjusting resources, taking snapshots, or shutting down the virtual machine. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and started using a virtual machine on Windows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Happy virtual computing.